I've been enduring this, but not anymore. How long will you keep cheating on me?
Babe, I'm sorry. It's not what you think.
You always say that, and I keep getting hurt. I believed you too many times. I'm done, Emmanuel.
Please don't leave me, babe.
I believed you for too long. I'm done being hurt. Blessing, you know you can access Grok, Seedance, and other tools for free?
Wait, are you for real?
Everything you just watched was created using a free AI tool, and the craziest part, it gives you access to tools like VO 3.1, VO 2, Seedance 2, Grok AI, plus text-to-speech with up to 10,000 words. With tool, you can generate up to 1 minute videos. Yes, all for free. If you've been looking for a powerful AI to create amazing content without spending money, then this tutorial is for you. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right in.
Alright, what you have to do is to go to your browser, go to your Chrome browser. Go to your Chrome browser, search VO AI free. Alright, so this is it. Search for it. Now don't make a mistake. I said VO AI free. VO AI free. That's the name. Don't type VEO3. Okay? So if you type VEO3, you should be making a mistake. So this is how the interface looks like. This AI tool is loaded. It is loaded. Alright, so what you have to do is to click on it. And the best part, you don't need to sign up with your Google account. You don't need to sign up with it. So all you have to do is to click on it, and it's going to bring you to this interface. Alright, so once you look up, you're going to see all AI tools, View 3.1, photos to video, Seedance 2, text to speech, all video generators, all image generators. Alright, so I'm going to take it one after the other. So I'm going to click on photo. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is to click on view 3.1. Then I'm going to paste my prompt. Okay, now before pasting my prompt, this is, let me maximize it. Before pasting my prompt, I'm going to click here and set up my aspect ratio. So I'm going to click on 16:9. All right, so this is where I'm going to paste my prompt. All right, after everything, the next thing to do is to click here and hit generate. All right, as you can see, the video is generating. Remember, the tool we use is View 3.1, right? So let's wait for the result.
Every single day, work, house, children, but nobody sees the struggle.
All right, I'll be working with Seedance 2. Okay, and I'm going to paste my prompt here. Now this is where you change your aspect ratio. So I'll change it to 16:9 and click here. You see Seedance 2.0, Seedance, just Seedance, and hit generate. So let's wait for the result. Video is ready, so you have to click on the 3 dots here and download. Okay, so let me maximize it so that we see it properly. These 3 dots, click on it and download your video. So let me play it.
You shouldn't have come back here.
I came for answers.
Okay, so it generates 8 seconds video, and the best part, there is no watermark. Okay, so let me try out another test video. Okay, so this is the prompt which I generated. All right, so I'm just going to copy it. I'll copy it here and move over to this interface. Remember, we are working with text to video. Okay, working with text to video. So I'll come back to this interface, and remember to check if your aspect ratio is still in place. Okay, check if it's still in place so that you don't make any mistake. So I'm gonna paste my prompts. All right, so I'm gonna highlight the previous I'll highlight it and press this. All right, so I'll have to check my aspect ratio if it's still in order. So this is what you'll do in case you go back to copy your prompt. So I'm going to click generate. So let's wait for the result. All right, here is the video. So I'm going to click on the three dots and select download. Okay, so it's done downloading. So let me play it.
Blessing, you know you can access Grok, Seedance, and other tools for free?
Wait. Are you for real?
So this is beautiful. This is beautiful. It gave me a clean video. It gave me a clean video.
Blessing, you know you can access Grok, Seedance, and other tools for free?
Wait. Are you for real?
Okay, this is beautiful. All right, so let's try out something else. So we've tried out Seedance 2. So I'm gonna try out photo to video. So let's click on photo to video. So I'm gonna upload a reference image that I want to use for this. All right, the video is ready. Now, one thing I love about this AI tool is that it accommodates up to 8 seconds. Okay, 8 seconds video, and it's free. So just click on the three dots here and select download. All right, it's downloaded. So I'm going to click here and play it.
Emmanuel, I've been enduring this, but not anymore. How long will you keep cheating
If you're
on me?
getting value from this tutorial, kindly support this channel by subscribing, sharing this video, and dropping a positive comment below. Your support really helps this channel grow and motivates me to create more free AI tutorials for you.
It couldn't accommodate all the dialogue. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just to trim the part that the wife talked about. So I'm going to trim it, and so that the husband will respond. Okay, so it's very easy. So what I have to do is to click there. We click here, just scroll up. So I'm going to highlight the ones that are not needed. I'll just delete it. All right, so what I'm going to do is to copy this scene too, where the man was conversing with the wife. You know, remember the husband couldn't say anything because the dialogue was quite lengthy. All right, so I'm going to copy all this dialogue. All right, so I'll copy it. I'll go back to the AI tool. Now I'll still select the same image and select add. Okay, it's been added here. So what I'm going to do next is to paste my prompts here. Okay, so your aspect ratio, make sure you check it always. It's still placed on 16:9 anyways. All right, so remember that this is the model. This is the model where you select your preferred. Okay, so this one is view 3.1, this is view 2.0. So I selected view 3.1. So after that, so what I'm going to do next is to click on generate. So I'll click here. The video is ready, so let me click on the three dots and download it. So let me play it.
I've been enduring this, but not anymore. How long will you keep cheating on me?
Babe, I'm sorry. It's not what you think.
Wow, this is beautiful.
And that's it for today's tutorial. In the next video, I'll show you how to access Grok AI for free using this same tool, so make sure you don't miss it. If you got value from this video, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.